Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing how to allow others to share your reels to their stories on Facebook. So, let's jump right into this full guide. Step 1. If you haven't already done so, head over to the Play Store on your Android device. In the search bar, type Facebook, and look for the app with a white F on a white background. Tap on it, then tap on Install. Once the installation is complete, open the app and sign into your Facebook account. Step 2. After signing in, you'll notice 3 stacked lines in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on those lines to open the menu. Now tap on the gear icon located next to the search bar. This will take you to the Settings menu. Step 3. Within the Settings menu, scroll down until you find the Audience and Visibility section. Step 4. In the Audience and Visibility section, tap on Reels, represented by the video icon. Step 5. Now look for the option, Allow others to share your reels to their stories. It's usually the first option in the list. If it's currently turned off, simply tap on it to turn it on. And there you have it. You've successfully allowed others to share your reels to their stories on Facebook. That wraps up our full guide on how to enable others to share your reels to their stories on Facebook. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more informative tutorials. Until next time, take care and happy sharing.